Good morning, students. Have you safe and healthy at your homes? We have finished our lesson multiplication. So today I am going to take your test. I told you yesterday that today I will take your test. I hope you have understood these all the sums very carefully. Still, I am explaining you these all the sums again. So look at here carefully. First, these types of sums I have explained you. But for your test, I am explaining these all the sums again. There is given fill the boxes, one has been done for you. So how can we solve all these sums? Just like there is given 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So first we will write here 2. Then after we will write here how many times given here 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times? 5. So we will write here 5. Now we will read the table of 5 for 2 times. So 5 2s are 10. Otherwise we will read 2 tables for 5 times. So 2 5s are 10. So we will write here 10. Got it now? Now come to there. Which digit there is given? 8. So first we will write here 8. Then after we will count how many times 8 is given there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times? 6. So we will write here 6. Then after we will read the table of 8 for 6 times. Or we will read the table of 6 for 8 times. It's a similar. So 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. So we will write here 48. Understood? Now come to there. There is given multiply by repeated addition, one has been done for you. It means first we will write here 4. How many times? 7 times. Such like these all types of sums. There is given these types of value and we provide this value in these terms. Got it now? So first we will write here 4. Then we will make a sign plus. Like that. Now we will write again 4. How many times? 7 times. Don't be forgot. Plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. First we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times there is given? 6. 1 is left now, so we will add 1 time more. Now still after we can some digit here na? What? We will read the table of 7 for 4 times. Or we can add this value also. So first we will read the table. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. When we add these 4, it's 28 also come. Okay. We will write here 28. Now come to there. First we will write here 2. How many times? 5 times. Then make a sign. Like that. Now we will read the table of 2 for 5 times. So 2 5s are 10. So we will write here 10. Got it now? Now come to there. There is given multiply the following. So first we will read this table for 4 times. It means 1 digit place. Then after we will read the table for 10 digit place. So 2 4s are 8. And we again read the table of 2 for 4 times. So 2 4s are 8. Got it? Now come to there. There is given 3 digit places, 100, 10 and 1. So first we will read the table for 1 digit place. 1 9s are 9. Now then after we can read the table for 10 digit place. 1 multiplied by 0. I told you on the last sums that when we multiply of any number in 0 terms, that which digit will come? 0. So we will write here 0. Now we will read the table for 100 terms. So 1 1s are 1. Now come to there. There is given 2, there is given 3, 4, 5. So first we will read the table of 2 for 1 digit place. 2 3s are 6. Now we will read the table for 4 times. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So we will write here 8. Now come to next. We will read the table of 2 for 5 times. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So we will write here 10. Now come to there. First we will read the table of 3 for 8 times. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. So we will write here 4 and give the 2 carry on 10 digit place. Then after we will read the table of 5 for 3 for 5 times. So 3 5s are 15, but we will add this 2 in 15. So when we add in 15 of 2, then which digit will come? 17. So first we will write here 7, then give the 1 carry. Now we will read the table of 3 for 3 times. 3 3s are 9, and we will add this carry 1. So we will write here 10. Now come to there. There is given 7, there is given 0, 2 and 1. So first we will read the table for 7 for 0 times. So 7 when multiplying 0, so which digit will come? 0. Now 7 2s are 14. So we will write here 4 and give the 1 carries there. Now 7 1s are 7, and we will add this 1. So we will write here 8. Now come to there. There is given 6, 5, 4, 1. So first we will read the table of 6 for 5 times. 6 5s are 30. Now we will give the carry 3. Now we will read the table of 6 for 4 times. 6 4s are 24. Now we will add the 3 in 24. When will we add 24 and 3? Which digit will come? 27. So we will write here 7 and give the 2 carry on there. Now we will read the table of 6 for 1 time. 6 1s are 6. Then after we will add this 2. So what digit will come? 8. So we will write here 8. Got it now? Now come to next. There is given word problem. Kavya buys 5 packets of paper. Each packet has 150 sheets. How many sheets does she buy? How can we solve this? First we will write here HTO, because there is given 3 digits. So first we will write here 1 digit place. Then after we will write here 10 digit. Then after 1. Now how can we solve? First we will read the table of 5 for 0 times. So when we read the table, what digit will come? 0. Now come to next. First we will read the table of 5 for 5 times. 5 5s are 25. So first we will write here 5 and give the carry there. Now 5 1s are 5, and we will add 2. So 5 and 2 7. So we will write here 7. Kavya buys 750 sheets. Got it now? Now after this video I give you some pictures for the test. So do your test properly and give your best. Next day we will meet with the new topic. Now goodbye and take care.